31 years, LP3I has contributed to Indonesians' education. As educational institutions, LP3I has been giving opportunities for youth generation to achieve their dreams. Today is the beginning of another wonderful year for us. Forget the past, let's look forward to the shining future.
Kesan saya, LP3I adalah kampus yang tepat dan cepat dapat kerja,
serta perkuliahan yang santai namun tetap menjadikan mahasiswa-mahasiswi yang memiliki karakter dan berkualitas di dunia kerja.
Karena apa? Karena LP3I mengajarkan 80% praktek dan 20% teori.
Happy birthday LP3I! Thanks for every support and your accompany all the time. We are so lucky being the part of you. LP3I, brave to have skill, brave to transform.
Happy birthday LP3I! LP3I, brave to have skill, brave to transform.